Hello, I'm Lane Cooper with Cooper Design Build, and we're here to talk about this beautiful home. So we began to work with them, and it turned out that what they really needed was a primary suite. Typical for these bungalows, had 2 small bedrooms and a bathroom, small kitchen. And we got to talking with them, and I said, well, what do you think about whether we just remove one of the bedrooms? Which is usually kind of sacrilege. I mean, you usually don't want to take away bedrooms in a house. But if we did that, we could then convert the back bedroom into a primary suite, do a really beautiful bathroom, and then add this really nice closet. Also, they wanted to really bring the kitchen up to something that they could enjoy. They like to cook and entertain. And then what was interesting too is that at the back of the kitchen, there was an exterior door that went into a kind of a mudroom, and we wanted to extend the living area. So when we took away the main bathroom, because we made it a primary suite, we had another issue where we had to do a little powder bath. So we figured a way to put a powder bath into where the old mudroom was. We got to open up the back of the house. They still wanted to have the ability to have guests. And so the unfinished basement became a playground for us to create sort of a flexible area, which I love. The way it lives now is amazing. So we opened up the entire downstairs. We actually waterproofed the walls, which is super important. Redid the stairway going down. And now we have a beautiful full bathroom down there, big open space that they use. They've sectionalized it off to have an office space, a sitting area for a TV, and a wonderful guest area, and a full laundry room downstairs. So it really lives well for them because it lives as a condo upstairs, and then they also can expand for having a guest downstairs.